Now today in this session of accountancy class 12, we will be going to discuss one more numerical related with the various adjustments, okay, at the time of the admission of the partner. We have been already discussing this thing with the help of few numerical presentation. We have already discussed few adjustment, but let us discuss this thing, this type of numerical with some few other adjustment also. So it is saying like this, that A and B are partners in the ratio 1/2, 1/3 and 1/6 carried to reserve. It is said like this. Okay. A and B are partner in the ratio 1/2, 1/3 and they are carrying 1/6 to reserve. Okay. Now they admit C into the partnership. C is admitted in the partnership on 1st April. Okay. And when the C is admitted in the partnership, the balance sheet of the firm was as follows. Okay. And C is coming for 1/5 share. So there is a whole balance sheet given to you, and then it is said that on the date of the admission of C, the following adjustments were made. The adjustments were like this. C will bring 25,000 towards his capital. So C is supposed to bring capital, but before that we will first bring the capital of A and B. So capital of A and B is 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Then C is bringing the capital. So by cash account, C is supposed to bring 25,000 rupees. Okay. So this will increase your cash also. So cash account will be opening in the balance sheet, and cash account shows the opening balance of rupees. Cash or bank account shows the opening balance of rupees 5,000. Okay. So 5,000 is here plus 25,000 brought by C. Okay. Then it is said that C also bring in rupees 5,000 for his share of premium for goodwill. So C is also bringing 5,000 for his share of premium for goodwill, and this premium for goodwill will be given to the sacrificing partner. Okay. So premium for goodwill brought by C is 5,000, and it will be given to the sacrificing partner in the sacrificing ratio. So A and B has sacrificed here because nothing is said regarding the sacrifice. So their ratio was reached to 2. Okay. How? It is like this: 1/2, 1/3, 1/6. So common, we have to make it 6 here. So 3. So it will be 3/6. Here it will be 2. So it will be 2/6. So 3:2 is the profit sharing ratio. So A and B will get 5,000 into 3/5, that is 3,000, and here it is 5,000 into 2/5, that is 2. Okay. So this 3,000 and 2,000 rupees will go to A and B in the form of premium for goodwill. Okay. And this amount, that is 5,000, we have added here in the cash account. Then comes stock is undervalued by 10%. Stock is undervalued by 10%. Okay. Now comes stock. So valuation of stock that is given is 18,000, and it is said that it is undervalued by 10%. इसको हमने 10% कम लिखा है. So that means this stock is worth 90%, and we have to convert it into 100%. Okay. So it will be like this. That will be 20,000 rupees. So this is the worth of stock, that is 20,000 rupees, and we have recorded the stock as 18,000. So that means we have to increase the stock by 2,000. So revaluation by stock 2,000, and in the new balance sheet the stock will appear at 20,000 rupees. ओल्ड बैलेंस शीट में 18,000 किया गया था और आपको बोला गया था कि ये 10% हमने कम लिखा है, तो हमको इस 18,000 को वापस से 100% में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो वैल्यू बिकम्स 20,000। तो डिफरेंस आ गया 2,000 जो हमको एडजस्ट करना है। सो रिवैल्यूएशन वी हैव क्रेडिटेड एंड इन न्यू बैलेंस शीट इट इज 20,000 रुपीस। Creditor include a liability of rupees 4,000 which has been decided by the court as 3,200. Creditor worth rupees 20,000 in balance sheet. आपको 20,000 की क्रेडिटर दिए हैं। Out of that, a sum of 4,000 creditor were settled at 3,200. 4,000 की क्रेडिटर की लायबिलिटी 3,200 में सेटल हो गई। So overall, what we have observed that 800 rupees creditors will not be claimed. तो 800 रुपए की क्रेडिटर जो है वो क्लेम नहीं होंगे, तो ये भी हमारे लिए एक तरीके का फायदा, दैट इज बाय क्रेडिटर्स 800 रुपीस और लायबिलिटी में क्रेडिटर विल बी 20,000 minus 800, that is 19,200. Okay. Then they said, in regard to the debtors, the following debts provided for bad and doubtful. डेटर्स में से बैड डेब्ट्स हुए 2,000 रुपीज ड्यू फ्रॉम एक्स वर 100% बैड डेब्ट्स। 2,000 रुपए आपको एक्स से मिलने थे, वो 100% आपके बैड डेब्ट्स हो गए। एंड 4,000 रुपीज फ्रॉम वाई वर 50% बैड डेब्ट्स, और जो 4,000 वाई से मिलने थे उसमें 50% का बैड डेब्ट्स हुआ। सो टोटल बैड डेब्ट्स अमाउंट बिकम 2,000 फ्रॉम एक्स एंड 2,000 फ्रॉम वाई। x के 2,000 पूरे और y के 50%, that means 2,000. So bad debts okay 4,000 rupees. So your debtors decrease by now 4,000. So debtors, total debtor it was given 22,000 minus bad debts total 4,000. So remaining debtor is 18,000 rupees. Okay. So here we had all the adjustment. यहाँ पे सारे adjustment complete होते हैं. Now we will be shifting the other entries. Reserve it is set 10,000. 10,000 का reserve था आपके पास. So now this reserve will be distributed amongst A and B. Okay. By reserve account A and B, 6,000 will go to A and 4,000 will go to B. 10,000 का आपने रिजर्व अकाउंट क्रिएट किया होता बाय ट्रांसफरिंग द पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रॉफिट, और अब आपको 10,000 को A और B को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देना है इन देयर होल प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो, दैट इज 3:2. So 6,000 will go to A and 4,000 will go to B. Then outstanding expenses were 5,000 rupees. Okay, so there was an outstanding expense 5,000. ये नई बैलेंस शीट में एडजस्ट चला जाएगा. Outstanding expenses 5,000 rupees. Then comes building 50,000, plant and machinery 30,000. Both are the assets for you. Building 50,000, plant and machinery 30,000. Okay. So no change. So shift transferred as it is. Stock we have done adjusted. Debtors we have adjusted, and bank account we are opening. So here it is not a cash account, it is bank account. So bank account we have opened already. So now let us see that what is the result of all this thing. So stock and creditors 2,800 and two bad debts 4,000. So there was an overall loss. So by loss transfer, okay, by loss transfer to A and B. 720, and here it is 240 into 2, that is 480. So this is the amount of loss, and total becomes 4,000. Okay. So we have closed the revaluation account by 4,000 rupees, and now this loss will be debited to revaluation account. It is 720, then 480. Okay, so this is the loss amount which we have transferred. Now comes what? We have to close this partners capital account. Okay, so we have done all the adjustment here. So now we will be closing the capital account. $25,000 C. So balance of C is 25,000 rupees. So here also it will be closed by 25,000 rupees. Then it is 42 and 46 minus, so it will be 45 by 20, 45520, 46,000, and here it is 59. So minus 58 to 80, 58 280. So these are the balancing figures respectively: 58,280, 46,000, and what 25,000 respectively for A, B, and C. Okay. So this becomes like this. Now we will close this balance sheet also, okay, by transferring the amount in the balance sheet. Capital A, B, and C. So A 58280, B 45520, and C it is 25,000. So total becomes 800 here, 18, 8, and now they have 28,008, 128, 133, 152, 153, and here 55, 35. Closing of bank account 35. So here it becomes 35, 55, 105, 135, 145, 150. So on both the sides, the amount closes by 1,53,000 rupees. So this close your balance sheet also with 1,53,000 rupees. So in this sum, what we have observed, that first in the profit sharing ratio it was said that 1/6 profit will be carried forward to reserve. So it does not have any effect on the adjustment which has to be done with the partner. इसका कोई भी इफेक्ट पार्टनर को जो अमाउंट एडजस्ट करना था उस पर नहीं हुआ, because partner was sharing the profit in the ratio 3:2. So 3:2. So reserve at the end of the day was divided into 3:2, and the goodwill amount which was brought by the new partner was also given in the profit sharing ratio 3:2. Okay, and the loss which we have found in revaluation was also divided in the ratio 3:2. And related with the adjustment of debtor, it was said that one debtor was fully bad debts, 2,000 rupees was full debt bad debts, and one debtor who was holding 4,000 rupees, he became a bad debts for 50%. So only 50% amount. तो एक bad debts 2,000 के पूरे bad debts हो गए एक debtor से, और एक debtor से सिर्फ 50% का bad debts आया, तो उसको हमने 50% लिया, तो 2 + 2 becomes 4,000. तो debtors का अमाउंट हमने 4,000 माइनस करके नया एडजस्टमेंट 18,000. और जो क्रेडिटर से रिलेटेड एडजस्टमेंट था, इट वाज सेइंग दैट In the total creditor, there were creditor of 4,000 which were settled at 3,200 by court. पूरे creditor आपके पास 20,000 के थे, उसमें 4,000 का एक creditor है जिसको आपको सिर्फ 3,200 देने पड़े। तो 3,200 में मीन्स 800 रुपये आपका फायदा, 800 रुपये की आपकी लायबिलिटी डिक्रीज हुई, तो यहाँ पे 800 and in new balance sheet 19,200. Okay, so this is how we have solved this numerical with the help of the various adjustments given. Hope this will be clear to you, and now you will be able to solve this type of numerical with ease and convenience. Thank you and have a nice day.